Stanley, the full kitchen base camp cook set. 3.7 quart, 21 piece nesting set. Serves 4 people. Let's get into her. Look at that. Three-liter, 101 ounce, 10-liter, 34 ounce, or 1 liter, 10 liter less. Dummy. So you got this gizmo here. It's like the lock them up. Holes for straining. If you do pasta, also would let heat out, I suppose. And then you've got instructions or diagram how to nest everything once you take it all apart. So lid. Fry pan, 32 ounce fry pan. Dude, that thing's solid. That thing is solid. Some big spoon. Spatula for, I don't know, doing stuff. Ooh, some fire starting material. That's nice. Some, yeah, I don't even know. Some Wuhan shit. 4 bowls. These bowls have the nesting pattern on the back of them too. They're pretty solid. And then 4 plates. BPA free. So like, not a very big plate, but if you used a plate and a bowl, like, you've got some food there. And then the plates can kind of act as lids. Kind of cool. I'm gonna have a dumper. So this is supposed to be like a cutting board, so you don't wreck your knife on rocks or whatever you're using. You can use that. And then you've got 4 spoons, sporks, I guess. It's kind of odd, they're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. So Kind of flimsy, but you can eat with them. Then you got this trivet, just a piece of rubber so you don't set the hot surface on. You don't burn a tabletop in a public park or state park or something, or wherever you're at. But maybe you could use it as a hot pad holder. I don't know. And then this is like a drying rack or something. So when you're done eating and you're doing cleanup, you just kind of set your stuff. It'll hold all 8 pieces, and then you go about your business, cleaning up camp or whatever you're doing, and these will dry. Then once they're dry, you can nest it all back together. So if I remember the order here, trivet, some sporks, then cutting board, that dropped down in the pot, then the plates went in, then the bowls went in, the big spoon, the big spatula, the frying pan. Dude, this thing is heavy, solid, heavy. If you guys have seen my other video or whatever, I've got the Stanley, this one. It's like the adventure cook set. It's got the 2 coffee cups inside. This thing's awesome. But if I'm gonna feed everyone for lunch or dinner, whatever, this is better. So then this guy should nest upside down. That's kind of in there cockeyed, so that ain't it. So we drop. Troubles. We are having troubles. Oh yeah, there. And then that guy. Boom. It's kind of heavy. I mean, you wouldn't probably backpack it, but if you were taking your vehicle, which I do, then perfect. So yeah, we'll use this thing and maybe make a video of cooking some lunch or something. Stanley makes good stuff.